This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by committing your level and connection. Drive your lead knee down and step inside at a 45-degree angle to close distance immediately. Use a 2-on-1 or collar tie to pull their weight forward, and as you drop your hips, you slide your arm between their legs to cup the ankle or Achilles. Once you have the grip, pull the leg toward you while keeping your head tight to their ribs. This prevents them from sprawling and buys you the next moment. Now you lift and reposition. Secure a high hand over their knee and a low hand on the ankle. This creates a long lever. You rise with your legs, not your back, and elevate the trapped limb about 6 to 12 inches while stepping your outside foot across their hips. Once elevated, rotate your hips toward their far side to open their base. This shift unweights their stance and makes the leg ineffective. Maintain chest pressure so they cannot recover posture, and prepare to finish the throw or trip. Finish the takedown by driving forward, pulling the ankle sharply while stepping your trailing leg behind them to sweep or lift their base and bring them down. If they attempt to sprawl, immediately circle to their hip and re-angle to the weak side, using your head as a wedge to re-establish control. If your grip breaks, do not panic. Resecure a 2-on-1 or collar tie, reset your inside step, and attack again with the same hip rotation. Repetition creates openings and forces their defense to fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.